Hi, my name is Doug McClure. I'm here with GE Additive AdWorks team at the Rapid TCT conference. I got a question here from the University of Pittsburgh racing team about the quality and inspection of the structural integrity of a build, both during and after a build. So great question. We use a lot of traditional methods, including CMM, CT scan, some FPI that you might use on traditional parts. We also have a lot of in-process build technology being developed when it comes to understanding the thermal environment of your build during the build. We do prediction modeling, and then also understanding the actual what the build looks like during each layer. So if you'd like to learn more about all this technology being developed, go to ge.com/additive. Thanks.